Intermittent fasting can significantly help in THC detoxification. It will improve the burning of fat and release THC into the blood for removal from the body. Fasting will also enhance the liver's metabolism of THC. Now we'll explain how exactly intermittent fasting speeds up THC detoxification. THC is highly fat-soluble. About 70% of THC from the blood is stored in body fat. One method for more quickly detoxing from THC is to burn body fat and thereby release the THC metabolites stored in fat cells. One study found that intermittent fasting reduced body weight by 3 to 8% over 3 to 24 weeks. A different study showed that intermittent fasting may increase weight loss at a rate of approximately 0.55 to 1.65 pounds per week. Intermittent fasting also affects insulin levels, which naturally increase when you eat. When you fast, however, they decrease dramatically. Lower levels of insulin increase the burning of fat. Intermittent fasting signals your nervous system to send norepinephrine to your fat cells, causing them to break down body fat into free fatty acids that can be burned for energy. Through this process, intermittent fasting will help you to burn more body fat and detox from THC. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about proven solutions that will help you to rid your system of weed. The 7-Day Detox Kit is excellent if you wish to quit marijuana or need a tolerance break, or if you have a big job offer on the table. It will permanently clean your system from all traces of marijuana in 7 days. If you're limited in time and need to quickly pass a drug test, use the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit. It temporarily flushes marijuana metabolites out of your bladder and allows you to pee clean. This kit begins working in 90 minutes and is effective for up to 5 hours. To get any of these kits, follow the links in the description. It's important to understand that weight loss will usually come from a loss of both fat mass and muscle mass without exercise. You should add weight training or cardio exercises into your daily routine to make THC detoxification more efficient. One research study with 64 obese participants showed that 25 to 30 minutes of exercise on a bike 3 times per week increased the loss of body fat and helped maintain lean body mass. The Drug Metabolism in Humans study showed that short-term fasting increased the activity of CYP1A2, CYP2C19, CYP2D6, CYP3A4. What exactly does this mean? CYP3A4 is the enzyme involved in THC metabolism. Since activity of CYP3A4 was improved, THC will be metabolized and excreted at a quicker rate during fasting. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment and let us know. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about passing a drug test, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.